At 8:17 a.m., money died. No warning, no crash, just zero. And in less than 24 hours, the world changed forever. Banks froze, cards failed, markets collapsed in seconds. Your savings, your salary, your future, gone. Without money, there are no prices. Without prices, there is no order. Only panic. So the world did something ancient. It went backwards. Trade returned. Skills became currency. And suddenly, the most valuable people sent weren't the richest. Governments weakened. Cities struggled. And power shifted to those who could provide food, water, protection. Humanity faced a choice: destroy itself or rebuild something new. Money was never the real value. Trust was. And when trust disappears, everything resets. Now imagine, this is your reality. What would you do first? Would you survive? Comment your answer. Like if you want part 2. Subscribe for more what-if scenarios.